I'm the chairman of EPT, Stephen Chef from Class 5A.
I'm Thomas Low, the Vice Chairman of the Environmental Protection Team.
I'm Milo Chan from Class 5B, one of the Vice Chairman of the Environmental Protection Team.
I am Adrian Pang from Class 5C, core committee member of the EPT. In this video, we are going to introduce to you the environmental protection team of our school. The Queen's College Environmental Protection Team was firstly established under the name of the Environmental Protection Unit. Throughout the past years, we have played an important role to raise Queenians' awareness towards environmental protection, as well as nature-related studies and knowledge at school. We organize and take part in multifaceted activities that engages enthusiastic students both inside the school, which will be introduced later, and outside our campus every year, such as participating in the SEPA, School Environmental Protection Ambassador Scheme, to develop students' sense of responsibility towards the environment, to nurture their leadership skills, and encourage them to take positive action in improving the environment. In view of the rise in the use of social media in the recent decade, and more time spent on such platforms due to the pandemic, the QCEPT has been utilizing various social media platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram, to promote the environmental protection awareness by sharing green tips on how to reduce waste. For example, during festive seasons, such as the Christmas holiday and Chinese New Year holidays. We also post information regarding some environmental protection-related activities, such as quiz competitions, and more recently, the Red Packet Recycling Scheme initiated by local green groups. Our initiative to promote environmental protection awareness has been successfully gaining traction, with regular posts and major local festivals to share the said green tips, increasing engagement in the posts.
Environmental Protection Team also held the Form 1 Waste Upcycling Competition in October. Form 1 candidates were allowed to choose a theme from one of the following topics. The first one is convenient household, and students are required to make a small gadget that brings convenience to everyday life, while the second theme is reinvented playthings. Students have to make an entertaining piece of toy or game from waste like card boxes, bottles, utensils, or reusable bags if they choose this theme. Candidates should also collect suitable waste by themselves and upcycle them within the prescribed time frame. Finally, students would take a photo of their products and submit through Google Form together with a 50-word description of the product for adjudication by committees of EPT and teachers. There are several objectives in this competition. The first one is to encourage students to upcycle daily products to reduce the amount of waste. The second one is to raise students' awareness towards waste production in daily life, while the last one is to nurture a sense of waste reduction. Awardees will also do some sharing during the open days in the EPT Discord channel. You are welcome to join us in Discord.
The Green Week this year has been held on the 22nd of February to 26th of February. Amid the deadly pandemic, the theme of this year was set as waste reduction and nature exploration, in order to provide students a chance to achieve waste reduction at source and appreciate our appealing natural environment in their daily lives. We have held an array of activities to meet our targets. Other than IC packet recycling, we also held the Form 1-2 Interclass Natural Science Quiz Competition. The theme of the competition surrounds the COVID-19 pandemic, energy consumption, and climate change. The aim of the competition is to arouse students' attention on environmental issues and encourage them to alter their current lifestyles. Moreover, it enhances students' sense of belonging to their own classes. During the competition, students actively answered the questions, demonstrating their great environmental awareness.
Other than LIC Recycling and Form 1-2 Interclass Natural Science Competition, we've also held an eco-photo competition. The theme is Save the Earth. Students in all forms can show their talents on photography and creativity in this activity. In addition, talks about energy and ecology are held for Form 1 and 2 students. The Environmental Protection team also cooperated with the Geography Society to hold a tree search activity for Form 1 and 2 students. It aims to allow students to learn more about different kinds of trees and the ecosystem. More importantly, saving the environment.
Lastly, let's meet the EPT's teacher in charge, Ms. Zhang. We hope that you can learn more about our team from this video. We look forward to seeing you in the Discord server during our virtual open days. Thanks for watching and goodbye.